A minimal typology with the same concept as a camping tent, but with all the necessary infrastructure for a comfortable experience. The entire structure was pre-assembled up to the location where it would be inserted, a site in the interior of Serra Gaucha, in Rio Grande do Sul. The chosen position was strategic. Inserted between trees, inserted in an existing environment, and facing a lake and a beautiful landscape of the Vale dos Vinhedos region. The sensation from inside the space is that of being inside a boat, because of the view. Its entire structure is in the light steel frame system with cold-formed steel structural profiles, with thermal insulation in OSB panels and glass wool, and external closure in pre-painted corrugated tiles, in white. In the mezzanine, a space reserved for sleeping, a window entirely made of glass in front of the bed brings the sensation of being in the treetops. A space of isolation in direct contact with nature. A break from routine and a moment of rest that can be accompanied by a good wine from the region. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.